This little video to document this, I guess, scrambler cafe style bike I just got done doing. It's a 1986 Honda Nighthawk 450. I just deleted a bunch of parts, made a new seat pan, chopped the back, did a custom fiberglass seat, battery relocation, airbox delete. I actually replaced some fork seals, cut down the fender, bar end mirrors, headlight, rerouted all the wiring, custom battery tray. Made the battery tray out of one of my favorite materials I build with is bed frame material that I find. Built the battery tray out of that. Made the license plate holder also out of a piece of bed frame. I did a wire tuck and harness relocation up under the seat. I actually used a banana bread box. Here's some of the parts I deleted from the bike. That's the old seat, fenders, plastics, airbox, headlight, all the emissions controls. There's a bunch of tabs and whatnot that was cut off. I also got like a few pounds of nuts and bolts that were taken off. Coming back over here to the bike. Got a new sprocket, new chain. What else did we do in here? Welded the seat hoop in. Wired up LED taillight. Got the LED blinkers. Rebuilt the carbs. Let's see if she fires up. Key on. This bike used to have really hard starts, the owner said. Relocated all the wiring into this. I mean, I've seen some guys building these electrical boxes, and I figured, hey, a banana loaf pan pretty much does the same thing. Tucks away pretty nicely. This is the seat. I used the pad. The cushion for the pad is 2 layers of camping mat. That little hole right there, a little bolt comes through. And then just tightens down there. Yeah, so this is a little build I got done. Probably eliminated 30-40 pounds of just all kinds of crap we took off of here. But yeah, this is the 1986 Honda Nighthawk 450, and thanks for checking it out. Leave a comment, let me know what you think.